The Museum of Yugoslavia in Belgrade is a fascinating institution dedicated to the history, culture, and legacy of the former Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. It's a place that explores the region's complex past, from the era of Yugoslav unity to its eventual disintegration. The Museum of Yugoslavia was established in 2003 but has roots that go back to the 1980s, as it was originally conceived as a place to preserve and showcase the legacy of Josip Broz Tito, the leader of Yugoslavia from 1945 until his death in 1980. Tito played a crucial role in shaping the country's identity, particularly through its unique position as a non-aligned state during the Cold War. The museum aims to offer a nuanced understanding of the country's history, its political and social developments, and its place in world affairs. The House of Flowers. This is the most iconic part of the museum, serving as Tito's mausoleum. Tito's tomb is located here, and the house is surrounded by beautiful gardens. It holds a collection of personal belongings of Tito, such as his clothes, gifts from foreign leaders, and other memorabilia that reflect his leadership and diplomatic role. The Museum of the History of Yugoslavia. This section of the museum houses a collection of artifacts, photographs, documents, and exhibits dedicated to Yugoslavia's history. It includes everything from the anti-fascist resistance movements during World War II to the rise of Yugoslavia as a socialist federation, and the political struggles during the country's later years. The Tito Museum. Located within the Museum of the History of Yugoslavia, this is an entire section devoted to Josip Broz Tito and his role in the creation and governance of the Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. It highlights his leadership during and after World War II, the non-aligned movement, and his influence on the Balkans and the world. Yugoslav History and Ethnology Collection. This includes exhibits that reflect Yugoslavia's diverse cultures, its peoples, and their various ethnic, linguistic, and religious backgrounds. The museum celebrates the country's diversity, which was one of its defining characteristics. Tito's legacy. Tito remains a divisive figure in the former Yugoslavia. For many, he symbolizes unity and strength, as he successfully kept the country together despite significant ethnic and political tensions. His leadership in resisting fascism and creating a non-aligned movement is viewed positively by some, while others criticize his authoritarian style and the economic and political issues that emerged during and after his rule. Yugoslavia's uniqueness. The museum also emphasizes how Yugoslavia was a unique socialist experiment. Unlike many other socialist countries, it was not part of the Soviet bloc and pursued a policy of self-management and worker control. The idea of brotherhood and unity was central to the country's identity, though, as history shows, the nation ultimately fractured in the 1990s due to rising nationalism and ethnic tensions. For those interested in Balkan history, the Cold War, or the political struggles of the 20th century, the Museum of Yugoslavia is an important destination. It offers a nuanced perspective on a country that no longer exists but whose history continues to shape the region. It's a place to reflect on the complexities of national identity, political ideology, and the challenges of multiculturalism. It also serves as a reminder of Yugoslavia's former global prominence, and the way its breakup in the 1990s reshaped the political landscape of the Balkans and beyond.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.